Today we're going to make the best vanilla American buttercream. It is silky smooth and light as air. It has a balanced vanilla flavor that isn't too sweet because we add heavy cream and a little bit of salt. It is perfect topping for cakes and cupcakes and brownies and blondies and literally anything you can put your mind to. This is perfect. Let's get into it. All right, butter. All right, pop your bowl in a stand mixer. Give it a whirl. Now I'm gonna start adding my confectioner sugar. A little bit at a time. If you just dump it in there, then it is going to poof everywhere. I'm also gonna put my salt in there, just kind of in the middle. Let's go ahead and see if I can't get a little bit more in at a time here. Speed up this process. If you want this to be perfectly white, then you need to use shortening. I know. It'll be vegan then though, so sweet. You're like, that looks thick. You're not wrong. You are not wrong. I'm gonna go ahead and scrape her down. Now before I add my heavy cream, I do want to make sure that this is completely incorporated and it is smooth. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it up. Let's go ahead and add our vanilla. It's kind of smooth in there, silky looking. It's still thick, but that's part of the process. It is smooth, it is luscious, it is American buttercream. Now we're gonna go ahead and get our heavy cream in there, and then we're gonna switch to the whisk attachment, and we're gonna beat it up until it's nice and light and fluffy. You don't want to overwhelm this butter sugar situation with the heavy cream because it is just not going to want to be together, okay? So just little by little, get them used to being together in a bowl. Yeah. And then they'll be new best friends. Give her a scrape. I mean, it's looking pretty silky, but you know, we want it to be really light and fluffy. That will also make it appear whiter as well. All right, switch to your whisk attachment and whisk her up. Et voila! Now you have made American vanilla buttercream. It is soft and light and fluffy, and it is just yum. Perfectly vanilla-y, just a little touch of sweet, but all the roundness from a flavor from the vanilla, and also the little bit of salt and the heavy cream. It kind of cuts some of that sweetness, and it's like absolutely, completely, it's like, honestly, in my mouth, it feels like, it's like air. It's so nice. Ah,